August 15th, 1947, the great symbol of the British Empire came down for the last time to be replaced by the banner of the new Indian government.
One of the best ways to serve our motherland is through serving the public. An old adage says service to mankind is equivalent to service to God. Here at Nifty IAS, we provide you the best platform to prepare for civil services, be it UPSC or APPSC. We have a team of dedicated faculty and an advisory group comprising former and serving bureaucrats who will stand with you every step along the way, prelims, mains and interview, to help you crack the examination. Hi, I'm Mahesh and I'm a co-founder and a faculty at Nifty IAS. Often, many potential candidates stay completely away from civil services examination thinking it's too difficult for them to crack. The truth is, the examination is easier than you think it is. Don't let fear hold you back. There are plenty of people from very modest education backgrounds who have cracked this examination. In fact, every year we see hundreds of students from rural areas cracking this examination. The only driving force behind all such people who have cracked this examination was their determination to give back to the nation which has given them a lot. If at any point in your life you felt an inclination towards civil services, don't delay, don't second guess. This is an invitation and an opportunity for you to realize your civil services dreams. Remember, greatness is not achieved by those who follow the crowd. It's created by those who dare to rise above mediocrity and realize their true potential. We at Nifty IAS warmly invite you to come and realize your civil services dreams. Thank you.